Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be diving into the art of self-focus and self-care. It's time to put yourself first, embark on a journey of personal growth and self-discovery. If this is something you're interested in learning more about, definitely stay tuned. Before we begin, let's understand why focusing on yourself is so crucial. Life can get overwhelming with responsibilities like work, family, friends, hobbies, and other social commitments that you may have, and this can leave us feeling drained and disconnected. Taking time for yourself allows you to recharge, gain clarity, and nurture your well-being to allow you to feel much more fulfilling. Remember, self-focus isn't selfish. At the end of the day, it's a necessity for a fulfilling and balanced life. You want to ensure that your cup is filled enough to be able to give to others around you, whether it's, family, friends, work, or anything that you pour into. As they always say, you can't pour from an empty cup. So you want to ensure that you are filling your cup with what your cup needs to allow you to function throughout every day. You have to start with yourself so that you can love others. At the end of the day, for you to really love anybody else, it really starts with true self-love and self-focus. So the first thing you want to do is identify your needs. It's essential to know what truly makes you happy and fulfilled inside. What makes you feel like a fire is lit within you and you're just absolutely inspired to do that thing at any time and you feel like it isn't work or anything like that. What are your passions? Consider your dreams. Take a moment to actually reflect on what brings you joy and fulfillment to your life. It really doesn't matter what it is, as long as it brings you fulfillment. So don't think about anybody else's wants or needs in this case. Think only about what truly matters to you and what lights that spark within you. It can really be anything: cycling, going outside in nature, knitting, dancing, whatever it may be. Figure out what those things are and then use that as a foundation to create your own self-care routine that's tailored to you. Yes, you can consider what other people are doing or what other people have done in their own self-care routine, but make sure it's something that's catered to and works well for you, because not everything will work for every person, right? So make sure whatever you're picking is suitable to you and your own specific needs and wants to ensure that you're feeling absolutely fulfilled and joyful at the end of the day. Next up, you want to actually go ahead and make sure you set boundaries. You set this with everyone around you, family, friends, work, whatever the case may be. Set your own specific boundaries that help you to cater to your own needs. You can learn to say no to things that drain your energy, and saying yes to what nourishes your soul is the absolute key in everyday life, right? So you want to make sure that you're putting in positive energy into yourself and repelling any negative energy, any toxic energy, anything that brings you down. You want to make sure that you set clear boundaries when it comes on to that. If you have friends and family that may want to, share the day with you or vent to you, let them know that when they call or they text, to first ask if you're able to take on that type of energy or, have that type of conversation, and allow you to then let them know if they can continue with the conversation or maybe have to talk at another point. So these are certain ways that you can go ahead to set boundaries in your life with people around you to go ahead and protect your time and your energy. Don't be afraid to protect yourself from negative or toxic situations. It is your right to protect yourself and keep yourself in a positive headspace. At the end of the day, you are in control of your life and your own well-being. So continue to make it a priority by setting boundaries with people and things in your everyday life. Now let's dive into this whole world of self-care. You have to carve out moments in your day or week for self-care activities that resonate with you specifically. Things that fit into your daily routine, things that make you feel confident, feel good about yourself, things that make you feel better and more fulfilled at the end of the day. These are things that you want to add into that. And it can include stuff like meditating, journaling, drinking a cup of tea, taking a walk in the park, giving yourself a at-home pedicure, maybe having a washing your hair. It's endless to the things that you can do daily or weekly, as I said, and having maybe, a Sunday reset to help you set yourself up for the week by doing these self-care, activities to make yourself feel rejuvenated and feel better towards the, everyday activities that you have to do. Everything that we do pulls on us, drains us. So it's good to pour back into ourselves, and doing that self-care activities that resonate with you helps you to actually, at the end of the day, feel more connected with yourself and helps you to stay grounded and better able to maneuver throughout day-to-day activities by you doing those self-care activities, because you're pouring into yourself first, so then you have something to pour out of when you're giving back to people around you and loving on people. Gratitude and positive affirmations play a massive role in self-focus and self-care. Practice gratitude daily and take a moment to appreciate the little things that you already do have. As you continue to work towards your goals and aspirations, continue to be appreciative of what you already have and be grateful for it. They always say there's always somebody out there with less than you, so always be grateful for what you already have and continue to work towards your current goals. Along with practicing daily gratitude in your life, positive affirmations are essential to rewire our minds. A lot of us talk negatively to ourselves. Some of us grew up in negative situations, unfortunately, and it's allowed us to have a negative mind towards ourselves. And we talk to ourselves more than we talk to anybody else. So it's good that when we're able to talk to ourselves positively, and by doing the positive affirmations, it helps to rewire our brains and help us to think more positively about ourselves. It's better for us to be talking good about ourselves, building ourselves up, and be our own hype man at the end of the day. So by repeating positive affirmations that empower you and help shift your mindset towards self-love and confidence, realize you'll continue to grow on your journey of healing and self-focus and self-care as you continue to take care of yourself. And while you continue to take care of yourself, you realize you're in a better mindset. By being in a better mindset, then you're better able to give up yourself to others around you. So next, you want to just go ahead and embrace your journey. Self-focus at the end of the day is a journey and not a destination. It's going to take time, so be patient and be gentle with yourself. And allow other people to catch on and also to learn to do the same too. We all need to make sure we're taking time to make sure we take care of ourselves, nurture ourselves, and honor ourselves as well, on our own needs and wants, to make sure our cup is full. And while you're embracing your journey, you want to make sure that you embrace your own imperfections, right? You're not perfect, but you want to celebrate your progress at the end of the day. We all have our own unique flaws, and we all have our own unique strengths, and those are the things that make us exactly who we are. And you are perfect exactly who you are. You are whole and enough just as you are. Just continue on your journey as you grow and as you heal, as you take care of yourself, and as you inspire others to do the same, because by doing it and people understanding your boundaries, you'll help them to realize the importance of also taking care of themselves, right? So every step you take towards prioritizing yourself is a step towards a more fulfilling and joyful life for you, because it not only helps impact your life, but impacts others around you. And that allows you to live a more positive life, and of course, as I said, a more joyful life. On this journey today of self-focus and self-discovery, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your loved ones or any person that you feel that may benefit from hearing this information today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content that I have coming up. Take care, and remember, you're worthy of all the love and care in the world. You are enough just as you are. Stay blessed, and until next time, bless up.